What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I am doing a relaxer video, which I haven't done in a while, and I'm using African Pride No Lie Relaxer. So I'm getting it all mixed up here, and my hair is about 4 months post relaxer. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure you have your little relaxer brush, a towel on deck, and when you're mixing your cream, make sure it's really smooth and mixed in very, very, very well. So I part my hair, of course, in 4 sections, and then I'm going to start with the back because I always go from back to front. That's the method that I use. And I always say when you're relaxing your hair, you should always go at a quick pace. Don't take too much time on it, because in the end you can always go back and go through your hair. So you just want to make sure you apply it all. You don't want to go too fast, but you don't want to go too slow. So just keep it at a good pace. And of course, when you're applying your relaxer, just try to make sure you're keeping it to your new growth only, because you just don't want to over process the hair that has already been relaxed. Now, for those of you who don't know, I have been obsessed with cutting my hair. So I will be cutting my hair, yes. Well, so I'm going to just cut my hair probably in the next video. So once you guys finish watching this video, be sure to check for my next video and look out for it, because I'm going to be cutting my hair, not into like some crazy short haircut, because I'm not a stylist, but I'm going to do a good trim on it. And eventually I am going to have a professional cut my hair in a short haircut that I like. So if you're interested in that, just be sure to look out for that video, because that will be coming up real soon. So just keep on working in the relaxer until you complete all 4 sections. And so right here, this is me with all 4 sections completed. So all my new growth has been covered in the relaxer. So at this point, once you have all the relaxer applied, you want to go ahead and start smoothing out. So you want to start back with the section that you started out with and start smoothing it over either with your fingers, or you can also use a comb if you like, and you can just smooth it out that way. And again, you want to smooth out all 4 sections of your hair. Make sure you get the back pretty well. Sometimes it's hard to feel the back, but make sure you do pay attention to the back of your hair with the relaxer, and make sure that your edges in the back are all smooth and have enough relaxer on it. Okay, so once you're done smoothing it out in all four sections, you want to make sure you get your neutralizing shampoo, whatever it comes with in your box. And I'm also going to use my deep treatment conditioner. So you want to make sure you get all the relaxer out and then condition. So here we are. This is the final results. And you know, of course, I didn't really leave the relaxer on that long, but it's fine. Like, it still got straight, you know. So again, I did like the results, and I do like the African Pride relaxer kit because they do have a lot of conditioning treatments in there. So again, just make sure you guys watch out for my next video because I'm definitely going to be cutting my hair. You guys can watch me with that. Yeah, if you have any questions for me, comments, please leave them down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.